switch my hustle on, cause I'm tired of being broke and this fact where I'm from. And step by step I get richer than y'all. Do you remember how you joked on the shit that I'm on? So if you test me, I will smile that I'm gone. But if you cross the line, bitch, you be closing for war. I got my business, my shows, my friends and my home. But this ain't enough, I got a hunger for more. It's the real deal, Kigga, I bring it cause I need it. And I speak before you eat it. Please believe it, you a rookie in this game, so now you better cheat it. You don't wanna do the shit, cause you know that I did it. But in spite of this, you're wrong, but you spit it. Now it's back on the radio, Kiggas just did it. I don't like when people tell me you must praise it or shit, cause I know what I'm doing, but if not, I just hit it.